Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big border, turning design sarees in a very excellent new color combination. Light green color, pastel green, very beautiful rare color with gold jari mango design buttas all over. We also have a normal 4-inch jari border on the top with a thin border in pallu color, and here we have a big border in the bottom, yellow color border with beautiful gold jari work in both sides of the border, and middle part we have the jari gold jari border. Very elegant one, kanji type turning border, beautifully hand weaved, a completely hand weaved saree. The color is also very pretty, and the yellow color is given for the blouse and pallu also. Beautiful design in the pallu as well with blouse piece in same color. A pastel in both body and pallu with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a big border, very beautiful double warp silk, elegant grand saree, dark base color. The body of the saree is dark brown, excellent coffee brown in a dark shade, black mixed brown color. And you can see the mango design buttas, perfectly weaved buttas. And we have 4 inches border in the top with a thin border in pallu color, and a very big 12 inches border in the bottom with kanji type weaving, jacquard weaving, peacock. Very beautifully done work, completely handcrafted work. And the border and the pallu are in dark violet, that is magenta pink and black mixed color. A very grand pallu again. We have plain blouse piece with one side border design. Elegant, grand, best saree for your grand occasions. A dark base color as well as the pallu color is dark color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big turning border design sarees in gold jari. Excellent grand saree here, completely handcrafted. A beautiful color combination, a very different rust color almost. Beautiful color with mango design buttas, and we have a normal 4-inch jari border and a thin border on the top, and a very beautiful turning design border in the bottom. It is in pallu color. It's a very different pink color. You can see the peacock floral pattern in both sides of the turning border, and between we have tissue border completely in gold jari, and one same color is given for the pallu. It's a very different pink. You can see a checks pattern in gold jari weaving in the pallu, and we have a plain blouse piece with both one side jari borders. Excellent and very different color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a rich collection, turning border, big border sarees in elegant combination color. A very rare and beautiful combo here. Lime green color, yellow mixed with green to get a beautiful color here. Very different shade, elegant too, with gold jari mango design buttas all over. And we have a tissue border, gold jari border, and a thin border in pallu color. And pallu is a bright yellow here, mango yellow shade, turmeric and mango mixed color with very elegant jacquard design weaving in the border. You can see the peacock designs. Inside it we have a tissue border as well. Big 12-inch border, which is very pretty. The same yellow is given for the blouse piece and pallu also. Pallu have a beautiful design too, floral pattern, weaved fantastically, completely handcrafted work. And we have plain blouse piece with tassels already made, and we have one side tissue border again. Beautiful combination, handcrafted, and it is completely with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful turning border design, excellent sarees, copper jari work. You can see the beautiful color combo, yellow, turmeric yellow color saree here with copper jari work, beautiful buttas, a borderless concept on the top, and a very beautiful turning design border on the bottom. You can see the copper jari finish weaving, excellent design, semicircles, and inside it we have a very pretty bird pattern, peacocks and birds, beautifully weaved one, completely handcrafted stuff. You can see the premiumness of the saree. The same border color, it is a dual tone, red and yellow mixed color, blouse piece and pallu. Pallu is very pretty here, copper jari used in the pallu as well with the plain blouse piece. Excellent combo. Recently we didn't get this combo. Very beautiful one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful big border, excellent turning design border collection in copper jari finish. A very beautiful color here, bottle green, green mixed with black to get a beautiful bottle green color. The buttas are very visible on this dark base. Copper jari finish buttas, borderless concept in the top, and we have a very beautiful 12-inch big border in maroon color in the bottom, and you can see the copper jewelry finish work, semicircles, and inside it we have the kanji tip beautiful peacock work, very elegantly done one, different as well as a new launch. And we have the same maroon color pallu. Pallu also have the copper jewelry finish work, very beautiful rich pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. The combination is really traditional with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless turning design sarees, double warp and very beautiful color combos. Here we get a excellent color here, bright and beautiful rusty orange color, almost rust with a elegant orange tint. You can see the buttas, gold jari buttas. We have a vertical buttas done in gold jari, and we also have a turning design border, a very closely bead rich border done in gold jari again. Peacock design, semicircles and inside is peacocks. Grand saree here with same color pallu. Pallu also have beautiful work, completely jari work, rich pallu. The pallu dresses are already made with plain same color blouse piece. Very elegant combination saree, excellent and rich looking with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big turning design borders in a trendy copper jari work. And here we have a very beautiful black saree, magnificent black color, completely in black, and you can see the copper looking really rich on the black base. The buttas are also handcrafted ones here in copper, and the lower turning border is also copper. Original copper zari is used, and really the copper glow and the shade is visible on this particular color, black. Very elegant one, no words to describe it exactly. With the pallu also with a very elegant copper jari work. Plain blouse piece, pallu tassels are already made. A magnificent, beautiful, majestic black here, completely handcrafted one with copper zari, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful, big turning border design sarees in a very elegant color combo. Here we have a beautiful red saree with mild pink tinge. The warp is red, pure red, and the waft is a mild pink color, which gives a beautiful shade, almost red, with very elegant thread worked booties, small buttas, the arrow type, completely thread work with the silk thread used for the weaving. And we have a big turning design border, completely thread worked turning border it is. You can see the color choice, the contrast, mustard color is used for the weaving, and pink is used here for Meena work. Very elegant one, excellent weaving one, with a pink and mustard yellow alternatively weaved for the arrow buttas here. Completely handcrafted work. You see the color, beautiful one, completely in single color. And even the pallu we have the Meena work with thread work concept. Silk thread is used. Very elegant work, completely handcrafted, traditional weaving method with a plain blouse piece in same color. Elegant collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful big border turning design sarees with thread work. A very beautiful combination here. Excellent dark brown color saree, coffee brown, very elegant one with small arrow pattern buttas all over the saree, silver and gold alternatively used for the weaving. And we have a beautiful thread turning design border in the bottom done using pink color threads, silk thread, and we have the jari work done as a Meena work in the alternatively silver and gold is used in the lower bottom. Very elegant combination, pink and brown, and the saree is in beautiful rani pink color. Very elegant color. You can see the design. Design is also very beautiful with the Meena work in silver jari, and we have the pallu tassels already made, and the blouse piece also in the rani pink piece color. Very elegant combo with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread work turning design border sarees. Very elegant traditional weaving design. Here we have an excellent green, a light green shade, almost an apple green color. My turquoise mixed apple green with the arrow design buttas. Buttas are done in two shades of blue, dark blue as well as light blue. Alternatively arrow design is done, a small booty design. On top we have a borderless concept and a very beautiful turning border in the bottom. Big border, you can see complete thread work. Silk threads are used here. Meena work is done in the dark blue color. Light blue is the actual border. Very beautiful one, completely hand weaved, perfect, beautiful saree. Very different concept, traditional weaving, and we have same pallu color. Pallu and body is in same color. The pallu also have the thread weaving all over beautifully. The Meena work is also incorporated in the pallu with plain blouse piece in the body color. Very elegant saree, a traditional weaving, beautiful work with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful turning design, thread border collection. Very beautiful color, a lavender color saree, elegant bluish lavender color with small buttas in silver and copper jari, arrow type, borderless concept in top, and a very beautiful thread turning border in the bottom. Silk threads used for the border here, and it is a dark peach color, and we have a gold zari work, copper and silver, Meena work in the thread work. Very beautifully it's been done. You can see the elegant border, very shuttle and beautiful saree. Very beautifully done using pastel color shades, completely handcrafted work. Visibly you can see the fine finished saree with a peach color pallu, contrast pallu with beautiful copper and silver jari work. Even the Meena work is done in the pallu also. A very labor consuming, very beautiful saree here with plain pallu color blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. Complete saree is in pastel shade and is completely handcrafted with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful thread turning design, excellent color combination sarees. Here we have a beautiful light brown color, very beautiful color it is, with a pink thread used for the turning design. Both gold and silver jari used for Meena work in the turning. Very different, very excellent one, exclusive pattern, and the small buttas are given in arrow shape in both silver and gold jari. The border is in the top and a very beautiful turning thread border design in the bottom. And we have a light pink color contrast pallu. Pallu is also very pretty with the Meena work using the silver jari work and gold jari work. Very beautiful one with plain blouse piece. The combination is very beautiful. For the pastel lovers, this is an apt saree, completely handmade with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful new launch. Thread work, beautiful concept saree in double warp. Elegant combination too. Turning border. The saree is in goldish yellow color, excellent color with very different small buttas, arrow pattern done using gold and silver alternatively all over. Very beautiful one. Top is a borderless concept and lower part we have a beautiful thread design, thread border turning in a thread concept. Completely pink thread used here, silk thread. See, the Meena work is also done using the gold and silver for the flowers. Very elegant border, beautiful one, and we have a contrast dark Rani pink color, red and pink mixed color pallu. Pallu also have the Meena work concept, both gold and silver jari used. Beautiful and grand pallu, and we have plain blouse piece. Excellent concept saree in thread work, beautiful one, handcrafted one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful collection. Thread work, turning design borders. Excellent design, a very exclusive concept. And here we have a dark chocolate brown color. Dark brown, it is black mixed with chocolate brown. And we have arrow design buttas. Copper and silver jari used for giving the buttas here. And top we have a borderless concept and a very beautiful turning thread border in the bottom. In the border have Meena work done using copper and silver jari alternatively too, which is adding beauty to the saree. Very elegant one. Finely handcrafted weaving it is with a contrast peach color. Pallu also have Meena work. You can see the silver jari is used inside the copper jari work with mangoes. Excellent saree with plain blouse piece in pallu. Combination is also very pretty. The silk thread used is also the pallu color, which is very matching and very beautiful too. Saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate.